Yo, back with a new pickup from Supreme. This is week 10. Took them quite a while for it to ship, like about a week and a half for them to ship this out, because it's already week 12 or week 13. It's a super big bag, as you can tell. Picked up 2 pieces. So I picked up the Polartec Fleece color block and also an Old English hood logo zip up. So let's get to this one first. The Old English hoodie in a size medium. Here's the price, $158. Very heavy. Got it in a slate color. Just the plain zip up with the Supreme. Supreme, made in Canada. Check out the quality. There's the tag, and I like the back of the hood. It says Supreme in Old English, embroidered. Very nice. Keep me warm. Can probably layer it. That's that. Pick this up, and don't forget the box logos. Can't forget about those. I'll pick this up. The Polartec fleece. Ooh, damn. Quality is nice on this one. I was digging this colorway. I got this in a size small. Got that navy, teal, and this brown. Has Supreme New York. And then has the buttons right here. Check out the buttons. It says Supreme. Polartec. Supreme. Here's the price tag for this one. Boom, size small. Yep, just a quick pickup for fall. Really love these 2 pieces. And don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.